this show on the road.
Flagmen are ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's it going to be? Demolition Derby right here in the Rock Island County Fair.
Andy, no discount. There may not be many cars out there, but I tell you, we're in the state, and the track is not that wet out there. You don't see a lot of mud flashing, so some of these guys, especially in the big classes, they're going to be building up some big speed.
Yeah, number 6 and Tucker winding things up. 23 of Purple trying to get his machine going, slipping and sliding right there, but with the rain that we got, it's not too bad out there.
Now this track drains well. Boys last year brought in some good drainage system out there in the middle. So sit back and enjoy. I'll let Andy finish this one up. Hope y'all having a good time.
One more time, minivans bringing the stage here up next. Minivans bringing the stage up. Wind things up, taking the far into the track, get a little momentum out of that before he brings it back into its on the fun. That's 78 JR of Hunter Wexel, hunting down that fine machine out there. Flagman out there telling him we'll wrap it up. Let's go, wind these things up. 78 JR of Wexel.
I got to interject, Andy. I drove 13 of these, and there's nothing worse than spilling antifreeze and battery acid. You line up, you get up about 30 miles an hour, you shut your eyes, you brace yourself, and you just like that.
Wexel knew what he was talking about. He's going to try to put on a show here at the Rock Island County Fair. Oh, they're going to pitch him in there. Levi Fortune's going to try to wind his machine back up. Oh, here he comes. That 6 machine up the topper. Looks like the 23 of Purple's going to have a little problem down there. I haven't seen his machine moving a little bit.
I tell you what, you're not this week's favorites, but y'all plenty cheers for that J&S salvage car. That old boy's got his stuff together tonight. We got 2 get out and Levi's
Fortune, he's still banging in that L5.
No boy says I don't say that. It's about time to show your effort and get that J&S car because he's putting on a show. We still got 3 cars in it. We're down to the money already, buddy.
Oh yeah, good money here on the line. For your inside of the $600 here in Rock Island County Fair. That 00 of Chase Cocker going to try to wind things back up. Levi Fortune pushing that 78 JR Hunter Wexel up against them tires back there. The 00 going to join in on the fun.
Well, I'll tell you what, these last 3 are really surprising. It's a real smoke for making big contact. We're supposed to hit everybody at least within, I believe it's 50 seconds to stay qualified. Got 2 sticks broken.
2 sticks broken here in the Rock Island County Fair. Keep an eye on this 78 JR of Wexel. He's going to wind it up. Oh, look at him go. Oh. He says, hold on, wait a minute.
Well, I can tell you now one thing, Andy. These boys that are in 3rd place, the first guy before the double class, 12 packs out over 40. All good money in the top.
Oh, Levi Fortune at L5 is missing the back end of that 78 JR of Wexel. Oh, Wexel's not behind L5. Oh, right in the back end. You see a shot in the shorts.
I don't know about that, but he was aiming for his accent.
Fortune back in the back.
That's where you want to hit one of these 4-cylinder front-wheel drive cars. Just right in that front wheel. Crank that CV. Pretty much power inside.
Well, the 78 JR is like with the flat tractor tire down there as he tried to get his machine fired up.
Andy, there's no quitting these fellers.
No, they're going to keep it going. 78 JR and Wexel going to try to get on the loud pedals. He gets down to the part of the track. Which one's he going to go for, the L5 or the 00? Fortune trying to outrun him. They're playing a little cat and mouse game.
That's not cat and mouse, that's country service.
Levi Fortune in the double zero, Chase Cochran.
I'll tell you what, Andy, these little cars take so much of You know what's weird, Andy? You got two black eyes and you're still smiling.
Yeah, I think these guys are finally figured they through the Power Girls class. That's your youth class out there competing here at the Rock Island County Fair. The 78 JR Wexel starting to smoke coming out of that front end of the machine. Levi Fortune in that little black piece of nice yard hit beside there.
You know, we ain't said much about that double zero. Last time I know who's running. He's still in there pretty hard. That old black car, he's starting to smoke. It's never good. I have to smell it. It's antifreeze and
Yeah, that double zero, Chase Cochran still putting the show on here at the Rock Island County Fair team, trying to fight back into Levi Fortune as he tries to fish his way out of it. Looks like the 78 JR Wexel broke his stick, so we got two competitors left here. Who's sticking to me for your youth class?
And if you're supporting either one of these teams, this is for some good money, $600 for 20 minutes of work. And a Mario Boys huge gold trophy.
Nothing better than collecting one of those great big trophies that the Violet Boys Chad and Rick put out there. They do a wonderful job on that as well.
I never got one.
I've never got one, but I see a lot of them. I see a lot of them go through the doors here.
Working out some strategy here, but they're not going to be allowed not to play. They got to hit each other. There's contact.
Levi Fortune spinning them front tires on that L5 machine. On the back end of the double zero, Cochran. Cochran going to chase it down to the far end of the track. Give him a little beat and arrow on tap on the back end. Who's going to be the last man standing, Buzz? Is it going to be the L5 of Levi Fortune or the double zero Chase Cochran as they run things up here?
I thought fans up here.
Yeah, come on, East Bowling, Rock Island County Fair. Let them hear you for your youth class, Chase Cochran and Levi Fortune.
I'm going to make y'all mad. I bet they're both Toyotas.
Levi Fortune going to work around the disabled cars. He's going to try to find that double zero Cochran. Spins him around there, Cochran. Going to try to get things right back up here.
And he was working on that front wheel, but I think he missed. Once him flirting that back end's getting flattened out like that, there's not a lot of sharp points go free and stick out. So it looks good.
Coming to double zero Chase Cochran. Levi Fortune. Let me hear it. Rock Island County Fair. Levi Fortune in the L5.
My God, Andy, look up here. We got a full crowd. Did y'all enjoy that one? Yeah, let me hear it. Colonial right now. Hey, watch this, Andy. I do this every year at every racetrack I ever used to go to.